Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Cozzoli VR526 inline piston filler. It's equipped to carry 6 pistons, and as you can see it only has 4 inside. That's what we've equipped it with. This only came to us with those 4. They are 60cc pistons or ML pistons each. There's an extra set of spare valve and some additional pistons. There are 6 30 ML pistons. Has diving nozzles, bottle indexing. The conveyor would pass through here, which is mechanically operated by the Cozzoli. It's operating on 120 volt. Has a variable speed controller. See the pistons operating with each stroke. There's a left and a right piston in 2 groups in this particular machine. The safety interlocks do work. Reclose the door and reset right here, and we'll start operation again. We have lots of piston fillers in our stock, as well as pressure, gravity, vacuum, and all types. Everything else in process and packaging, we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.